Hi guys, it is March 22nd, 2026. William here, and it's another slow day today. I had a shower this morning. I got all clean, washed all the filth off me, and gonna watch Mom's church service this morning. It's at 10:30 in the morning. They have services from 10:30 to 11:30. So we got Megan tomorrow. There's a snowstorm coming tonight. A spring snowstorm. It's spring now. And we got a snowstorm coming. Oh my goodness. Gonna have to do some more shoveling. Oh no. I can't stand shoveling. I get all winded and oh, it's terrible. So might have to cancel Megan tomorrow if it's too bad. She might not be able to get here. So we got Megan on Tuesday too. Tuesday at 12 we'll go to the Rock Church and we'll get a free lunch. And then I got Wednesday off. And then Thursday I got Kizzy at 5 o'clock. And we'll go down to the Tim Hortons and play a game of crib. I taught Kizzy how to play crib, so she knows how to play crib now, so we can do that. And then Friday is payday. Yay, payday. Oh my goodness, we're gonna go to the smoke shop and get some smokes, and then we're going to grocery shopping, do grocery shopping. I might take a taxi that day to the PetSmart and get the budgies. Yeah, that'd be good. I can't wait to get the budgies. And we'll get those. They're $45 each. And yeah, I'm gonna get some bird seed. And yeah. So, yeah, I guess that's about it for today. Thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. And thanks for viewing the vlog. And I'll see you in the next vlog.